Hi everyone, my name's Harry. I'm a PhD student at UEA and I study the ecology and conservation of breeding waders with a particular focus on curlew. The population of curlew that I study breed in Breckland, which is on the Norfolk-Suffolk border in East Anglia. I work very closely and in collaboration with the BTO. They part fund my PhD and two of the scientists at BTO supervise my work. So that's Sam Franks and Neil Burton.
So curlew are declining across the UK. In different parts of the UK, the declines are faster than in others. So for example, in Wales and in southern England, declines have been quicker than elsewhere in the country. And so one of the things that BTO is trying to figure out is A, why the declines are quicker in those areas, and B, what conservation tools can be used and be implemented in these different areas that can help turn the fortunes of these different populations around.
From breeding bird survey data, we know that curlew have actually declined in the UK by around 50% in the last 30 years. So they're under huge pressure. The threats that they face include things like habitat destruction and degradation, high rates of predation, and things like afforestation, which is changing landscapes across the UK. The main questions that I'm trying to answer during my PhD all revolve around the demographics of curlew populations. So the reason curlew are declining in the UK is because they suffer from really, really low breeding productivity. So they don't produce enough chicks every year. My PhD aims to answer why that is and how we can boost that breeding productivity. In Breckland, curlew breed across a range of different habitat types and land use types. And this is brilliant for me because it enables me to work out conditions in which curlew are doing well, and it will help us replicate those conditions in areas where curlew are doing less well. For around 5 months every year during the spring and summer, I'm out here in Breckland finding curlew nests and monitoring their chicks. I'm usually out from dawn till dusk every single day, including weekends, but I absolutely love it. The last year, COVID affected me quite badly in terms of my field work. I had to abandon field work really early on in March, but luckily BTO major donors have been very, very, very generous and have donated quite a lot of money so that I'm able to carry on and do another extra field season right at the end of my PhD and collect the data that I wasn't able to collect in 2020. So a big thanks to all the major donors at BTO. That money is going to go to really, really good use. I am collecting some really, really interesting data that's showing that habitat has a huge effect on chick survival. So yeah, watch this space and hopefully some of these patterns will be revealed soon.